top water on? Why aren't they hitting anything? On one? There. Get it in there. Got one. Now they're blowing up. This one's running.
We out here in the rain from either Tropical Storm Nicholas or Hurricane Nicholas. We got me and Tom. Tom's got his big old jack on. We've been chasing them down. They've been just cruising up and down in the sound out here. And as you can tell, I'm tired because I've been running. Oh my God. So he's already been on this thing for about a minute or two. Let's get some of this fight.
He don't want to come out of school.
Sorry for the audio and maybe some water on the camera lens, but can't really help it out in this freaking rain. Tom's been on this sucker for about 5 minutes now, so when he gets a little closer, I'm gonna go out there and catch some underwater. He gonna freak out. Final straw. Oh yeah, he should be done now. He shouldn't have too much left in him. Ah, I had the tip of it in my hands. Ah, I need a damn glove. He got them sharpest things on his. There we go. Woo! There you go. Oh man.
Making a fool.
He's alright, he landed now. Oh. Big old jack.
We don't need a tape on him.
Oh yeah, it'll be alright.
Let him get back in the water. Go find a stool, bring him back.
The American trevally.
Big old bay tuna.
Hey, come back with your friends.
I think he's ready.
Oh yeah. Right. This is like the craziest shit. It's like the mist. You're like, there's nothing out this way. It looks like fog. It looks like open ocean. But on the other side is the land. It's just kind of a little eerie. It's kind of weird. The Jack of Bells of Halloween. Well, I didn't get to catch any jacks that day, but Tom caught one on a split tail hoagie, and he just threw it out there in front of him. You got to get it in front of them, and they want it kind of like going away from them so it looks natural to them, because a bait fish or a mullet is not going to come flying toward a jack because they know that's certain death. I think jacks get a bad rap for being a trash fish. I mean, obviously they're not good to eat. I heard the smaller ones are good to eat, but I've never ate one. But I mean, the only thing a jack doesn't do is jump, and a tarpon jumps and fights really hard, and jacks fight super hard. It's just a good fish to catch. It's fun. It gets people interested in fishing. If y'all don't know, that is the fish that got me addicted to fishing. So either you can say, I hate jacks because Doug makes videos, or I love it because it made him love fishing so much. So anyway, check out on the next one.